Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started. In this video, we break down the top 5 best sand for block paving you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best sand for block paving on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best sand for block paving are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Alliance Gator Max G2 Polymeric Sand. If you're searching for a high-quality polymeric sand for paver and natural stone joints, the Alliance Gator Max G2 in slate gray delivers excellent performance. This polymeric sand offers excellent bonding and stabilization for paver joints up to 4 inches wide. After installation, my pavers felt much more secure, and there's been no shifting, even after heavy foot traffic. The sand is easy to work with. Following the contractor tip included by Home & Country USA, I swept it into the joints, and it filled the gaps evenly. The bag contains clear instructions for proper wetting and activation, and it's straightforward to follow. The G2 formula is specifically designed to be dust-free, which made the application process cleaner and easier. Plus, it's an eco-friendly product, which is a bonus for those concerned about sustainability. The color blends beautifully with natural stone and darker pavers. It complements the aesthetics without standing out too much, giving the surface a sleek, uniform finish. Unlike some other polymeric sands that can leave a residue on the surface of pavers, the Gator Max G2 has a no-haze formula. After sweeping and compacting, I didn't notice any haze or residue, which is a big plus for maintaining the clean appearance of my slate pavers. I highly recommend it, especially if you're working on a patio, walkway, or driveway, where durability and aesthetics are key. Our second best sand for block paving, SRW-Z 3 Pavermate Polymeric Sand. The SRW Products Z 3 Pavermate Polymeric Sand in granite color is an excellent choice for filling paver joints, providing solid stabilization and a clean finish. The Z3 Pavermate sand offers excellent strength and durability. Once applied and activated with water, it hardens and creates a solid joint that resists shifting and weeds. Even after weeks of use, I haven't noticed any movement or cracking in the joints. One of the best aspects of this polymeric sand is the no-haze formula. After installation, I didn't see any residue or discoloration on the surface of the pavers, which is often a problem with other polymeric sands. This makes it great for maintaining the clean look of your paver surface. The professional contractor tips provided by Home & Country USA are incredibly helpful. They give clear instructions on how to apply the sand efficiently, including tips for sweeping, watering, and compacting to ensure the best results. Once set, the sand creates a strong barrier that prevents weed growth and pest infiltration. This feature is particularly valuable for long-term maintenance of patios, walkways, and driveways. I would highly recommend this product for patios, driveways, and walkways where you want both strength and a clean, polished look. The tips from Home & Country USA make installation even easier, ensuring you get the most out of this product. Number 3 in our list is Rhino Bond Plus Polymeric Sand. If you're looking for a high-performance polymeric sand that prevents weeds and holds up well under weather conditions, this is a great option. Just be sure to follow the watering instructions closely for the best results. The Rhino Power Bond Plus Polymeric Sand is a reliable choice for small to medium-sized paver or stone joint projects. Its strong bonding, water resistance, and slate gray color make it an attractive option for enhancing the look and stability of patios, walkways, and garden paths. While the 10-pound size is great for small tasks, you may need multiple bags for larger areas, which could increase the cost. Once hardened, the sand creates a barrier that helps prevent weeds from growing in the joints, which is a big advantage for maintaining a clean and polished look over time. The 10-pound size is perfect for small projects or repairs. I used it to fill joints in a small garden path, and the amount was just right without having to deal with leftover material or bulky bags. Once the sand sets, it becomes highly resistant to water. I've experienced several rain showers since applying the sand, and it's held up well with no signs of erosion or washout. This makes it a great choice for outdoor projects that are exposed to the elements. This polymeric sand is excellent at forming a strong bond between pavers. After installation and watering, it hardened nicely, preventing any shifting or movement. Even after several weeks of exposure to weather and foot traffic, the joints remain solid and intact. Fourth recommendation in our side is concentrate polymeric sand. For larger projects like patios, driveways, or walkways, this product is a great option. The concentrate polymeric sand concentrate is a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution for large-scale paver and stone projects. It offers the flexibility to mix your own polymeric sand using local materials, which allows for customization and significant savings. While the mixing process requires extra effort and careful attention, the results are highly durable and effective in stabilizing paver joints. This product offers excellent value by allowing you to create up to 200 pounds of polymeric sand from just a 20-pound concentrate. This significantly cuts down on costs compared to buying pre-mixed polymeric sand in large quantities. It's ideal for large projects like patios, driveways, or walkways. Since you control the mixture, you can adjust the amount of local sand to suit different joint widths. This is especially helpful if you have a mix of narrow and wide joints between your pavers or stones. By mixing the concentrate with local sand, you have the flexibility to use the type of sand that best suits your project. I used it with coarse sand for wide paver joints, and the results were impressive. You can also choose sand that matches the color of your pavers or stones for a more natural look. However, if you're working on a smaller project or prefer a more convenient pre-mixed option, this might not be the best choice. Last in our top 5 best sand for block paving North Rock Paver Base. The North Rock Paver Base is an essential product for creating a stable foundation for pavers, bricks, stones, and other hardscape materials. This paver base provides a stable and strong foundation for paver installations. After laying it down and compacting it, the base created a firm, even surface that supported my pavers without any shifting or sinking, even after multiple uses and exposure to rain. This paver base works well not just for pavers, but also for bricks, stones, and other hardscaping materials. Whether you're building a patio, walkway, or retaining wall, it serves as a reliable foundation material. By compacting the North Rock paver base, I noticed a significant improvement in the stability of my patio. The base effectively reduces the risk of pavers shifting, settling, or becoming uneven over time. This is especially important in areas with heavy foot traffic or where weather conditions may cause ground movement. The material is designed to allow for proper drainage, which helps prevent water from pooling underneath the pavers. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the patio or walkway over the long term and preventing frost heaving in colder climates. The North Rock paver base is an excellent foundation material for small to medium-sized paver, brick, and stone projects. Its ease of use, solid foundation support, and drainage capabilities make it a reliable choice for DIYers and professionals alike. While it might require multiple bags for larger projects and some additional tools for proper compaction, the product delivers on its promise of creating a durable and stable base.